So when you're playing a game, you have to know who you're going up against. That is what I'm going to talk about in this video right here. Now, as a self-employed, business-owning individual, you have two different kinds of taxes to worry about: income tax and self-employment tax. You're probably already familiar with income tax. This is where the tax brackets, the marginal tax rates, all of that wonderful fun stuff happens. Basically, all of your income gets taxed with income tax. Interest from your bank account, wages you earn at your job, stock dividends you get from a portfolio that you might have, and your business income. Essentially, nothing is excluded, and the more money you have, the more tax you have to pay. Now, self-employment tax is a little bit different. When it comes to self-employment tax, there are no tax brackets, there are no marginal tax rates, nothing like that. It is just a flat rate of 15.3%. And the only thing that gets taxed is the profits from your business. Your wages, your stock dividends, your bank account interest, all of that is safe from self-employment tax. Now, here's the reason why the self-employment tax actually exists and why it's the brutal 15.3% that it actually is. When you're an employee of a company, at the end of the year, your boss or your HR department usually sends you one of these. This is a W-2 wage statement. This is where your employer tells you and the IRS how much money you made during the year and how many taxes your employer already paid to the IRS on your behalf, just coming straight out of your paychecks. These are the two numbers we care about right now: your Social Security payments and your Medicare payments. To keep these two programs funded, the IRS pulls money out of your bank account and your employer's. You pay 7.65% directly out of your paycheck. Your employer combines it with another 7.65%, and they send the full thing off to the IRS for you. That combined is 15.3%. As a self-employed business owner, you become both the employer and the employee. So as a result, you pick up the full 15.3% tax bill. So in summary, you as a business owner have to worry about two different kinds of tax: income tax and self-employment tax. Almost all of your income, including your business profits, gets taxed with income tax. However, now that you are a self-employed, business-owning individual, your business profits get taxed with a 15.3% self-employment tax. Yep, the business profits are actually taxed twice. Once with the self-employment tax and then again with income tax. That sucks. That's why in the next lesson, I'm going to teach you how to legally get your taxes down to zero so you can keep all of your money. I will see you then.